Hello everyone. My name is Juanda M. Arfis. So I wanna present our paper with my partner, Yuwono Nur Otama. So we have the paper with the title Sustaining the Independent Art Festival, and we wanna research about the social capital and mutual interest in Festival Lima Gunung. Our start point, we seek the relationship between art and society is often commodified as an instrument for the exploitation of non-artistic communities in artistic works. In practice, this is often considered morally diversification in the sense that the concept of collaboration needs to be further reviewed to avoid tokenization. So, yeah, I think tokenization of the local community practice is really important to visit together. And then the Lima Gunung Festival is an annual art festival initiated by the Lima Gunung community. The interesting point, so Festival Lima Gunung is not only an art performance event but also a collaborative practice involving various art group and local communities. So they work together to present this festival to public. And then the uniqueness of FLG lies in its community-based collaboration, where artists and villagers, like local community, work together to design and implement the festival. So yeah, collaboration this not only involve art performance but also leads to mutual cooperation in organizing the festival. So this is one of our point to research. So with the local community, they actively participating in all stages from preparation to implementation. Yeah, because in the habitus from the local community of Lima Gunung, they have like mutual cooperation, which said in Indonesia is gotong royong. So according to Mulder, yeah, gotong royong or mutual cooperation in Indonesia often serve as a means to strengthen social bonds and build solidarity at the community level. So yeah, FLG is an example of artistic collaboration that is not only artistic but also social, where each party, including artists, the community, and organizer, contributes to maintaining the sustainability of the independently managed their festival. The collaboration between art groups with different backgrounds and tradition has resulted in various artistic innovation that reflect the diversity of local culture. Thus, this festival not only serve as entertainment but also as a model for, strength, for strengthening cultural identity and building broader social network. So in our paper we have a research gap. Yeah, because a little research has examined how mutual cooperation in FLG or Festival Lima Gunung operates beyond simply interpreting identity, tradition, culture, and folk art. Yeah, our study is analysis of the social capital that construct a mutual interest between artists and non-artistic communities in presenting art festival through mutual cooperation. We have two study proposed that following our research question. First, how does social capital like trust, social network, and norms of reciprocity operate to construct the community mutual interest in initiating the Lima Gunung Festival? Second, how is this mutual interest transformed into concrete collaborative practice that ensure the festival sustainability as an independent initiative?
Hello, my name is Yuwono Nur Otama. I'm one of author in this paper. Method: this study uses a descriptive qualitative approach to understand how individuals and communities give meaning to social and culture practice. Qualitative research focus on interpreting experience, perception, and values rather than measuring phenomena numerically. Data were collected through observation, literature review, and interview and analysis using Robert de Putnam social capital theory, which consists of three key elements: truth, social networks, and norm of reciprocity. And norm of reciprocity. The analysis examines how this element of social capital shapes mutual interest among organized community members and artists in sustaining the Lima Gunung Festival. The study highlights collaborative practice that unite all stakeholders and enable the festival to operate without external dependence. Based on this framework, the study process to hypothesis first, social capital, second, mutual interest, when expressed through egalitarian collaboration, foster psychological ownership and strengthen the festival long-term sustainability. Based on the research question and the analytic framework of the Robert Putnam social capital theory, the selection present and discuss the main finding of the study. The result analysis which collectively reveal how social capital offer us the driving force behind the sustainability of the Lima Gunung Festival. The finding demonstrate the results are organized into 4 main points. Each point resembles a key component in the formation of social capital and its transformation into collaborative practice that sustain the festival. First, the discuss begins with trust. Second, the analysis examines the formation of social networks. And 3, the result address norm of reciprocity. Slide trust format between parties in the Lima Gunung Festival. First, openness bringing social capital. Second, come from active participation. 3, trust among stakeholders. 4, independence. 5, collaborative parties. 6, strong social network. And 7, sustainability of Festival Lima Gunung. Okay, next part. Trust is the foundation of the Lima Gunung Festival sustainability. It is built through long-term credibility, community-driven vision, and the absence of political or patronage interest. The trust encourages voluntary and active participation from all stakeholders. Openness and equality strengthens this trust. The festival profits inclusive of egalitarian access, allowing farmers, villagers, youth, artists, and external art group to participate. From trust and openness emerges community involvement, where local residents are not merely audience but also performers, organizers, and producer of the festival. This involvement generates a strong sense of ownership as each festival reflects the artistic practice and identity of the host village. Community members feel responsible for the success of the event and willingly contribute labor, space, and local research. A strong sense of ownership leads of horizontal social networks, management, and carried out organically through mutual assistance, flexibility, and shared responsibility. And together this process ensures the sustainability of the Lima Gunung Festival, which is maintained not through financial capital or external sponsorship, Butrok social capital, collective ownership, and community-based collaboration.
So, in this part, we talk about the norms of reciprocity for stakeholders which participating in the Lima Gunung Festival. Yeah, because norm of reciprocity is one of the important point for the building the model capital. So yeah, we can see in the our table. So we have some list, yeah, like actor in the Lima Gunung Festival. So the case is local community firstly. Yeah, local community I think have the great contribution for this festival. Yeah, they just do the donation like material things and then immaterial things like their energy and their participation. Yeah, local community I think they have active involvement in the managerial and production sector to implement this Lima Gunung Festival. Yeah. For this festival, like years by years, yeah, they always engage with the implemented the festival Lima Gunung festivals, and then yeah, some of them also in this case some of them is local community also participated as an artist. So yeah, because Lima Gunung Festival is really open, yeah, really open for the all genre, all art which will show in the Lima Gunung Festival. Yeah, I think local community in Lima Gunung Festival have great contribution, yeah, because yeah, sometimes they become an artist and then sometimes they become in the managerial things like production, installation from for the artistic of Lima Gunung Festival. Yeah, but so what's the feedback for them? Yeah, what's the feedback? What's the feedback for them? In this case, how the norms of reciprocity it's work. So yeah, in the table I just write local community feel the feedback is yeah their village have the pride is widely known. In this case, their village have the branding. They just said yeah because the implement of the Lima Gunung Festival, the village have free entertainment for the local community of Lima Gunung. Yeah, this is wow. And then they have great feel too when the figures or some people who comes to their village, it's they're really happy for that. So yeah, so in the actor from local community, yeah, the feedback, yeah, like I wrote in the tables. And then the actor from Lima Gunung Festival is the artist because artists I think have the central actor for this festival because this festival show the performance too, and then yeah, and the artists yeah voluntary they show their performance of works like wayang, dance, music without payment, yeah, without no fees, yeah, just voluntary. I think this is really hard to find in this era because yeah you know everything is always paid with the money, but in the Lima Gunung Festival like the artist local community is voluntary. I think it's the one of the advantage from this festival. So what's the feedback? Yeah, what's the feedback from the organizer to artists? Yeah, we just interview some artists. Actually, group artist group. Yeah, they just said they have the space yeah for expression, and then Lima Gunung Festival is enhance their reputation, and then they have big stage experience. Yeah, because I think this is one important point because Lima Gunung Festival is very open to all genre, to all artist background. So yeah, everyone can show their performance, their artwork at uh, on the Lima Gunung Festival stage. Yeah, so it's one of the point. Yeah, like the Putnam stage. Yeah, the participant involved in organizing of the Lima Gunung Festival have a reciprocal relationship that encourage them to play an active role and work together to hold the Lima Gunung Festival regularly every year. Yeah, do year by year. And then, speaking of reciprocity, is important to note that support the festival also comes from the surrounding community who voluntarily donate both material resource and labor, like just what I said before. Yeah, the most important characteristic of this norm is the existence of reciprocal relationship that have the potential to benefit both parties, either equally or in situation where one party receive a slightly greater benefit than the other. Because the actor from Lima Gunung, there's no just one actor who have a slightly greater benefit than the other. No, every is equality. So the feedback is not just about the money, but yeah, the feedback is talk about the how value what they get. So yeah, in the next part we will talk about mutual interest and collaborative practice driving the sustainability of the Lima Gunung Festival. Mutual interest is based from horizontal relation and model capital. And the first thing, horizontal relation. We know the Lima Gunung Festival, actually the organizer, they really have the open, egalitarian. So this equality of status between local community and artists and Lima Gunung Komunitas build the horizontal relation. When the horizontal relation just build up, it will have one of impact to mutual interest. Yeah, horizontal relation I think is one of the key part from the mutual interest just built up from the Lima Gunung Festival. And then the model capital, we just seen how the trust, social network, and norms of reciprocity just build up, yeah, which very well formed in the Lima Gunung Festival. And yeah, the mutual interest is based on the same vision, like this festival is of the society, by the society, and for the society. So this is the art from society for the society. So this is the key point where all of the actors have the same interest, same mutual. And then when we talk about the mutual interest, yeah, so we can see in the Lima Gunung Festival study case, the impact is for the sustainability of this festival. So we can see from the slide, yeah, there's a sustainability analysis. Yeah, this is our synthesis. The first one, yeah, stability without funding, yeah, because FLG or Lima Gunung Festival demonstrate that when trust and networks are the driving force, yeah, financial constraints are no longer the primary obstacle. And then in the second synthesis, social cohesion. Yeah, this is what we quoting Sutanto Mendut said. This festival is a small historical event which driven by social intimacy, not a rigid modern and management system. So yeah, this is based from the society. And then sustainability which driving from Lima Gunung Festival is based on collaborative effectiveness. Yeah, we can see collaborative work between organizer, local community, and artists that creates a stable ecosystem due to the absence of patronage that benefit that one party. That's why the collaborative effectiveness is grow. So yeah, That's why mutual interest and collaborative practice is it's possible to driving the sustainability of the Lima Gunung Festival. And then the conclusion we can see about the model capital is one of have the impact from to build up the mutual interest, and then the mutual interest have the impact to build a collaborative practice, and then the collaborative practice one of the reason why Lima Gunung Festival have can sustain every year by year. And then finally in this based on our research, Lima Gunung Festival serve as a profound testament to financial independence, proving that social capital can effectively replace financial capital as the primary driver for sustaining a decades long event. This stability is rooted in a collaborative ecosystem where collective expression is prioritized over profit seeking, ensuring the festival remains resilient, independent. And then as articulated by Susanto Mendut, this is I think one of good point. FLG is not governed by a rigid management system, but rather function as a small story driven by social cohesion and the deep-seated intimacy of rural communities. So that's our presentation about our paper, Sustaining the Independent Art Festival. We can see from the social capital and mutual interest in Festival Lima Gunung. So thank you for watching. See you guys.